With the market hovering around the 5,700 mark, broke below that a little while back, but still down about 1% for the benchmark indices, pretty much at the lower end of the range today. 5680 was what we touched intraday. You have some stocks which are holding out like a Bharti, Airtel and Hindalco, but the major chunk of the losers and the average losses coming in between 2.5% to 3% for the market. So Tata Motors and the entire banking space, the rate sensitive essentially ahead of the credit policy, Maruti Suzuki, Bank of Baroda, HDFC, all of these stocks are reeling under pressure.
Yeah, more importantly, I think we'll get in Andrew Ferris in moments from now, but the Asian markets have a deep gash of red. 3 to 4 to 5%, Nikkei even more than that is leading the charge, and that's having its impact on the Indian markets too. I mean, look at the way some of the rate sensitives, look at the way some of stocks like Maruti, etc. have continued to drop lower. The bigger fall, however, in stocks like Apollo Tyres, and for obvious reasons, we'll get more analysis on what brokerages have to say about Apollo Tyres as well. But markets across the globe are looking weak. The rupee has looked weak in today's session. I'm guessing probably because the markets expected more assurance from the finance minister. That didn't come about. So 58.42 for the rupee, over a 1% slump that has happened in the INR in today's session. And a large portion of that slump happening post 10:15 really. So just there, you see that sharp uptick that is coming in. That's essentially that downtick for the rupee that came in an intraday trade today. 58.42 for the currency as well. But Asia has looked weak in the session too. Do we have Andrew Ferris? We'll have him in a moment from now. But yeah, suffice to say it's looking very weak. Aside of Apollo Tyres, which is the top loser in the broader markets, State Trading Corporation is down 11%. I don't know if it's the MMTC impact or otherwise, but yeah, that one has gone down in the session. HOEC is down another 5% in trade. Otherwise, there aren't too many losers in the broader market, in the mid-cap space at least. So it's kind of contained. In fact, there are an equal number of gainers on the mid-cap space as well. The likes of Jet Airways, SpiceJet, etc. have actually done well in the session. So selectively, some of the mid-caps are actually doing well, but the overhang largely on the large caps and particularly the rate sensitives. But